Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today the kids are going to take turns making each other some Easter baskets. So to see which kid is going to go first, I have their initials written on these papers and I'm going to pick one. Guess since that's one that fell, let's see who it is. Michael, you're first. Are you going to make one for Sarita or your brother? Did I ask that yet? Listen.
Huh?
Are you going to make one for Sarita or for your brother?
A much better.
So you need this one. Okay, so you're going to get this bunny. Get him the bunny. No, put it in the basket. Put it in the bucket. Okay, he got the penguin. Gotta put that in the basket. Gotta put it in so that it all fits. Put that in. Okay, which one of these bubbles are you gonna put in it?
This one.
Okay, put it in the basket. Okay, get him one of his, get him this one. Put it in the basket. Okay, which one of these is his?
This one.
Okay. Let's see. Which one of the tissues?
Pink.
Pink or green?
Green.
Green. Okay. And this one's his. Let's see. Put it over here. Cole might have to help in a minute, huh? Which one are these?
The one is for my photo frame.
No, it's for your brother because it's green.
Yeah.
Okay. This is your brother's. Okay. You need to pick one of these, but be careful you don't hit them. Pick one. Which one are you gonna pick?
This one is for my photo.
That one's for your brother.
Yeah.
And then I know what we're missing. Don't put them on his. Thank you. Thank you for making your brother's basket.
Okay.
Now you can go play. Okay, so now we have Travis and he is going to make Sarita's. So let's start with this. Can you put that in Sarita's bucket, please? You have to bend it. Come on. If you don't want to do this, tell me and we don't have to do this. Do you want to do it? Then do it right, please. Okay. This is hers. This was hers. This one is hers? Okay. Which bunny was hers?
Pink. Pink. I think this one.
Okay, put it in. Which one of these three things do you want to put in there for her?
Yeah.
Okay, which one of these are you going to put in there for her?
Pink.
Okay. Okay, and I think... Oh, she needs bunny ears. Which one? These ones? Her. That's a very pink basket. Thank you. We need to put one of these in. Which one? Pick one for her.
Chickies.
Okay, put it in. Okay, cool. Thank you. Okay, so now it's Sarita's turn to make one for Michael. So, oops, we forgot putting those in. Okay, so Sarita, what are you going to start with? Start with this, it's probably the easiest, it's biggest. And then this one's Michael's.
Mickey and Minnie.
Okay, get his bunny.
Bun.
And his Spidey. And the pen. And the ducky.
Put the duck behind him.
Okay, now you get to make decisions, okay? So, which one of these two do you want to put?
I'm gonna put this one.
Okay, put it in. Which one of these two are you going to put? Okay. Nicole will help you if you want in a little bit, okay? Which one of these are you going to put in? Be quiet over there. Nobody asked you. Which one of the tissues are you going to put in? And finally, which set of ears? The blue ones
No.
or the yellow ones?
I'm gonna put it right.
So, what do you tell the people that made them for you?
Thank you. Thank you, Travis. You're welcome. Thank you, Michael. Tita. You're welcome. Thank you, Michael. Welcome.
So, if you like this video, what should they do?
Thumbs up.
They should give it a thumbs up. And they should comment down below what their favorite color is. So comment down below what your favorite color is. And don't forget to
Subscribe.
subscribe.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.